Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to give you guys 15 Solana meme coins that can potentially make you rich in the next couple of days, weeks, months, or at least in 2024. So yeah, this is probably the most packed video I've ever made. I'm going to show you guys a lot of gems. I'm going to show you guys some higher cap meme coins and also some extremely low cap meme coins with extremely high risk to high reward. Literally sitting at just a few $1,000,000 in market cap or maybe even lower than that. So this is going to be a packed video. I'm going to show you guys each meme coin right here. These are all the meme coins we're going to talk about. I'm going to just basically put them into this tier list one by one, as in where do I think they belong. And then I'm quickly going to show you guys a chart, which market cap they're trading at, and just quickly a brief information about the project and why I think it can potentially do good. So yeah, let's just immediately get started. I'm extremely excited. And by the way, I just almost forgot it before I started the video, so I quickly wanted to still tell you guys, if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins much faster than on Radium and Jupiter, I would recommend using the Trojan bot over on Solana. It's a Telegram sniper bot / trading bot that allows you to buy much faster, has much more features such as limit orders, dollar cost average orders, copy trading. I would definitely recommend checking it out. It's the first link in the description below. It's basically what everyone's using right now in order to buy and sell Solana meme coins. Plus, if you want to get insights on what I am buying, I would recommend joining my Telegram calls channel. It's the second link in the description below. Go check it out. And that being said, let's just immediately return with the video. Let's just pick a random meme coin. Going to close my eyes. We're going to do this one. Alright, we are literally talking about the biggest meme coin in this entire list, and I just picked this with my eyes closed. But yeah, basically the first one we're going to talk about is Bonk. And I think that Bonk definitely fits within the 10x area. I genuinely think that Bonk is going to do around a 10x from off this level. Now the reason for it is because Bonk is right now the most OG meme coin basically out there on Solana. It's one of the oldest meme coins on Solana right now. It is one of the meme coins with the most established team and community. It is right now the most a famous meme coin on Solana as well, and it is only sitting at a $2 billion in market cap. Furthermore, we can see if we look at all of the Solana meme coins right here, it seems like Bonk is right now outperforming all of them, at least above them. So for example, it's outperforming Floki, Dog with Head, Pepe, Shiba Inu, Doge as in the 7-day gains. And it also saw the biggest gain in the last 24 hours. It even surpassed Bread as well, which is crazy. So yeah, it definitely seems like Bonk is starting to come back alive, and maybe it is going to flip Dog with Head anytime soon. That will need to be around an $800 million market cap more. And basically once this happens, the flipping will start. And I think that Bonk at the end of this cycle can easily reach like a $10 to $20 billion market cap, simply because everything is looking really good for Bonk. That being said, let's just immediately look at the second meme coin, because I know all of you simply want to look at some smaller cap meme coins, so let's just randomly pick another one. Alright, the one we're picking is actually called Pn. So I genuinely think that this has the chance to either go to like a 30x to like a 100x. I'm just going to put it at a 100x. Reason for it is because it's extremely high risk, high reward. I'm just straight up going to show you guys this right now. I do have to say, I literally found this coin like just a few days ago. But yeah, it seems like this chart is looking pretty decent. Now, what is the project about? Well, Pn is Trump's first dog right now. If you don't know, Trump is going absolutely viral in the crypto space. For example, Trump and Maga, both two Solana vehicles, are exploding right now. Just made a video about it as well. So that's why I think that Pn, the first dog of Trump, should also be capable of doing really good. I've also heard some rumors of some pretty big community takeovers happening with this coin, meaning that the community takeover is actually being led by a pretty famous person or influencer basically. So we have to see how good this one is doing, but I literally just bought this coin. So now let's just immediately get to the next coin. And by the way, all of these coins I am talking about are mostly Solana meme coins. I think only one or two are not Solana meme coins. So if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins, I would recommend doing that on a Telegram trading bot. It's basically a bot that allows you to buy much faster than on Radium and Jupiter, giving you much better entries. Basically everyone is using this. You have also much more features such as limit orders, dollar cost average orders, copy trading. So I would recommend using it, even liquidity pool sniper. So go check it out. I'll have it linked, first link in the description below. And if you want to follow all the coins I am buying, I also have a Telegram channel for that. It's called Galem's Gems. It's also linked in the description below. Just check it out. Make sure to join it. And that being said, let's just immediately return to the video. So yeah, Pn is right now looking really good. High risk, high reward. Let's go to the next one. Alright, the next one we are talking about is GameStop, and unfortunately GameStop on Solana I have to put into X. Reason for it is because it of course went absolutely parabolic from off its bottom. However, right now it's just crashing like crazy, and that's completely normal. That is simply because Roaring Kitty has not posted in over 3 days on his Twitter account, and I don't actually think that he is going to return anytime soon. If he does return, however, this will go absolutely insane again. So if this goes much lower from here, you could potentially put in like a small buy, and that's just gambling on basically Roaring Kitty either posting on YouTube or Twitter again. And if that happens, it's going to skyrocket again. But yeah, for now it seems like this is quite dead. It is still at an extremely high market cap. And yeah, it's just not really doing anything right now, so I will definitely not recommend buying this at the moment. Furthermore, let's go to the next meme coin. Let's just randomly pick. Yes, so it's called, today we're looking at bread. Oh my god, alright. So we're looking at bread. I genuinely think that bread can easily go like a 10x. Now, I do have heard some people that think that bread can still do like a 100x from this level. Now, I think that an 100x is quite far-fetched right now. It is, of course, already sitting at like a $50 million market cap, meaning if it would reach a 100x from here, that will be a $50 billion in market cap. And I'm just not seeing that happen anytime soon. It would literally need to overtake Dogecoin. Maybe at the end of the cycle, where basically everything just gets a blow off top. But for now, I think a 10x is much more realistic. It will simply flip Pepe, but of course Pepe will also go up again. So it will just, everything will slowly go up, and this will also include bread. Which I do think that bread is going to outperform all of these other meme coins. On the last 7 days it has definitely already happened. So I am pretty bullish on bread right now, simply because it's on base chain, the biggest meme coin there. We've seen what Myro did, we've seen what Dog with Head did, we've seen what Bonk did. Bread is still extremely early in my opinion, but it's definitely not going to pull a 100x anytime soon. So I would only enter bread with big money, meaning that you can easily get like a 2 or 3x out of this project. But as like a 100x is not going to happen anytime soon. Now let's go to the next one. Alright, the next one is Insane Labs. Now I'm going to put Insane Labs at a 10x. You've probably never heard about it. That's actually because it's quite an basically project that's not really hyped right now. However, it has been doing really good. So it's this project. I've been looking at this now for the past couple of weeks, and has been absolutely exploding ever since. Literally doing more than a 50x of its bottom, exploding to like what is it, like a $15 million market cap, and right now it is consolidating like crazy. Now, what is the coin actually about? Well, it is actually the official coin of this sports nutrition company or something. It's quite complicated, but this is their website, and they literally sell nutrition things, and you can actually pay all of those things with the Labs meme coin. Now, I don't know how far this can go, but this is a pretty unique concept. I've never really seen this before, so that's why I've definitely put in this at least at 10x. Should be capable of doing that if this gets pushed more. They also have a pretty big Instagram and Twitter and all of those kind of things, so that's at least a little bit bullish for this project. Now, that being said, let's just immediately get to the next coin. Alright, let's see. Alright, the next coin we are going to talk about is actually called Pelosi. I'm going to put Pelosi at like a 30x. So Pelosi, let me quickly find it. It's quite hard to find. Pelosi. I think it's this one. Let me quickly find it. It's quite hard to do like a 100x, and that's why I've put it at a 30x, because I definitely still think that this has a pretty big potential. It is already proven to do really good over the short term, so I'm really curious to see how this goes in the long term, and that's why I wanted to include this one in my potential meme coins that you can make, that can make you extremely rich, because I mean it could potentially do really good. That being said, let's just immediately go to the next one. The next one is going to be Punk, and I genuinely think that Punk can still do a 10x from here. Punk has been absolutely exploding recently. I've actually talked about Punk on my YouTube channel at literally I think it is like a $30 million market cap, meaning that is almost a 10x already from where I posted it on my YouTube channel. I can show you guys it right here. That's why you actually need to subscribe. I've been doing some pretty decent calls on my YouTube channel, and that's why I also need to join my calls channel, my Telegram calls channel, link in the description below. And yeah, basically it seems like Bonk is right now going absolutely insane, and I wouldn't be surprised if it just potentially pulls something like Dog With Head did. It seems like Dog With Head is just not doing as good right now. It's the only meme coin basically in the top 200 that is right now down, which is on the 7 days, which is quite crazy to see because Bitcoin has literally pumped like 5k ever since, and it seems like just Dog With Head has not really been doing good. Of course, Dog With Head at some point flipped Pepe, over this already been reversed again, and it also seems right now that it's just basically not really performing as good as the entire market, and that's why I think that Punk can potentially take his spot. The reason for it is because it's not a community takeover. There's actually a pretty big team behind it, which is really bullish. Dog With Head is a community takeover. They've literally not posted in over 3 days on the Twitter, which is just sort of bearish. And Punk is literally doing so much marketing, literally pumping money into the basically the marketing, and that's something we have not really seen with Dog With Head. So wouldn't be surprised if simply Punk maybe takes a spot of Dog With Head. They're both really good memes, but if Punk has an extremely good team, it could potentially do better than Dog With Head. So that's why I wanted to include this one in the list. I'm also a holder of this one myself. I think this can do pretty good. That being said, let's go to the next one, and the next one is going to be this one. It's going to be Cock. I think Cock can do also an easy 10x. If you don't know what it is, it's the first ever cat coin on Solana, and that narrative alone should be pretty bullish. We can see this coin literally launched all the way back in November 2023, meaning this is basically almost more than a year old, and it's the first cat coin ever launched on Solana. And because of that narrative, I genuinely think that this can go much higher. The chart has been in a pretty decent uptrend. The community takeover has been doing really good. Now I do have to say that right now their Twitter account is banned for some reason. That happens quite a lot, so that's no worry. But yeah, I think right now that this should be doing pretty good. I have a small back into this myself. I may buy some more if it does, if we get some dumps, because this is just a really good narrative. That being said, let's just immediately go to the next one because we need to speed up this video. And this one is called the USA coin. So that's the one we're going to talk about right now. I think it's going to do a 10x. It's USA on Solana, and like I said, all of these Trump coins have been going absolutely insane. Trump itself, the coin is at $300 million in market cap. We have seen Maga coin, I talked about on my YouTube channel just a few minutes ago, has been doing absolutely insane as well. And that's why I think USA coin over on Solana should be able to do really good as well. It seems like their rounding bottom is also doing pretty good. So let me quickly do it like this. We can see this seems like a pretty good rounding bottom, ready for the next leg up. Now it is already at a quite big market cap, however I still think that this has the potential to do like a 5 to 10x, and that's why I wanted to include this one in the basically video, because this is the only actual good basically politics coin on Solana, so that's just why I wanted to include this one. That being said, next one is going to be Maneki. So I genuinely think that Maneki can do like a 30x. Maneki is right now one of the biggest cat themed meme coins. It is sitting right now, I don't know, at like an $80 million market cap. So let me quickly find it. Maneki is sitting at like an $88 million market cap. It went all the way to 400 million. It's literally already listed on KuCoin. It's already listed on some of the biggest exchanges out there. And it is still only sitting at an $88 million market cap. If we look at, for example, Mew, another coin that did really good as a cat coin, which is this one, it went absolutely insane, right now sitting at 270 million. That's why I think that Maneki is still extremely early. The team is extremely good. If we look at their Twitter, they're doing such a shitload of posts and such a shitload of announcements. And just look at how many things are right now posting. It's insane. So I'm really bullish on this project. Should easily do a 10x, maybe more, maybe not, we shall see. But if the cat meme coin craze keeps on going, I genuinely think that this is going to basically reach an all-time high fairly easily. That being said, let's just immediately go to the next one. And the next one is going to be this one. I'm just going to put this one at like, let's do a 100x. I'm not really sure. It's this coin called Laughing Shoe. It literally launched a few days ago. I just really liked the meme and I really liked how the chart is looking. And let's be real, a 100x is pretty decent, pretty easily to be reached for this coin. It would literally only mean a $150 million market cap, which is quite easy to reach. And it's just a pretty decent meme right now. I like how the chart is looking. It's a community takeover. The meme is just freaking funny. They're getting posted by a lot of big people. So yeah, that's basically why I just think that this could potentially really good. It's just an extremely big gamble, and I just didn't really know which smaller caps I wanted to include in this video, because all of them are really risky, and I just really thought this meme was good. The volume is good, the chart is good, so yeah, that's why I've basically included this one. It may or may not do good, but you definitely want to take a look at this one. Let's go to the next one, and the next one is going to be Pang. Pang, I think, is going to do an easy 10x. Reason for it is because Pang and Punk basically ran the exact same. Pang literally ran to like a $200 million in market cap before crashing down again. Punk is right now sitting at 250 million, and I think that Pang should be capable of following Punk. They both have an extremely good team. They're already listed both on extremely big exchanges. Pang is also just an extremely cute animal, just like Punk. Pang is also a really funny meme, just like Punk. I just think that if Punk continues to run higher, Pang should be the wingman of Punk, which should just basically if Punk goes to like a $2 billion market cap, Pang should easily reach like a $200 million market cap. That's right now what I think is going to happen with Pang. It is already bottoming out, and it seems like it is already going up a bit. So yeah, this could potentially do just really good from off this level, and that's why I wanted to include this one. Now let's just go with this one. It's called Maga, the only Ethereum project basically in this tier list. The reason why I wanted to include this one is because it has just been going absolutely insane. Literally from off its bottom, this is the coin I actually made a video about. It literally went from off its bottom more than a 100x, which is just insane. And yeah, it's just a really good meme. Trump meme coins have been doing really good. Trump is actually bullish on crypto as well. So yeah, like I said, Trump is actually really bullish on crypto as well. So yeah, I genuinely think this is going to go really high. It may actually overtake Pepe. We have literally seen what the other Trump did, which is this one. It literally ran to a $200 million market cap with an all-time high of like 600 million. And this one is just much worse than this one. This one is just so much better. It is supported by some crazy people, some crazy influencers. It has no tax. The meme is better. Everything is better about this coin side. That's why I think this can go much higher from here. And we have two more coins left. We have Zack and Cat. Now, which one are we going to do first? Well, I think that Zack is going to do an easy 10x from here. Zack has just been running like absolutely insane here in the last couple of days. From off its bottom right now, of course, it is already up gigantically. The meme is pretty decent. It's literally the most famous figure on Wall Street, and he is basically the most famous person for making a shitload of money with meme coins, something like that. I think the meme is good. It has been doing really good, and some gigantic people have been posting about this, and it's just been going up only. So that's why I wanted to include this one in this video, simply because it is looking really good right now, and this seems like one of these meme coins that just slowly runs to like a $500 million in market cap, especially because Solana is right now starting to trade over $200 again. And we have the last one, it's Cat. I'm just going to put this one at a 100x. Now, I'm not saying it can actually do a 100x, but it is still an extremely low market cap. The chart is looking pretty decent. It's just been slowly going up, which I really like. The Twitter is doing really good. It's a community takeover, and the community takeover seems to be pretty good. The meme itself is really good. So yeah, basically everything about this coin I just liked. I have a small bag. I hope it does like a 100x. So yeah, that are basically all of the coins. I know my entire screen just starts lagging right now. But yeah, that's basically because I've been filming for too long without cutting anything. But yeah, if you like this video, if I should do more videos like this, please consider liking this video. Oh, fireworks. And yeah, if you have any questions about any of the projects, let me know down in the comments below. I will also leave all of the links of all of the projects in the description below. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, make sure to do that as well. It's the first link in the description below, or second link. And if you want to check out Trojan, it's the first link in the description below. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto meme coin review.